Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we're having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, wave A finished already, or a wave 1, of course, and we have a 3-wave corrective wave as zigzag for a wave B or for a wave 2. Higher possibility for now is a wave B. And then moving for 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing, of course, your wave 3 in the white count, and then WXY for your wave 4. Your wave 4 here is, of course, a complex structure where you have finished a zigzag for W, zigzag for X, and a triangle for your wave Y. Finishing your wave 4 and then moving A, B, C with a wave 1 and then A, B, C for a wave 2. And of course, looking for a wave 3 towards the upside. We are looking for a wave 3 to be a zigzag shape, of course, toward the upside and hitting the perfect FIB levels between the 886 and the 0.786. However, this zigzag has to unfold one more impulse toward the upside, where we saw A, B, and a C, and basically this we have to follow it up on the 1 hour chart, see what's going on. Of course, this is a weekend range and the things might slow down a little bit this weekend. However, we're still looking for very high potential for Solana here to move toward the high. And of course, we want to reach this wave 3. Where we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, a very short wave 3, by the way, and choppy, but still okay, yeah, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then wave 4, which is triangle here, and then extended wave 5, and then, of course, looking after here for a kind of correction, and this might be your wave B, by the way, A, B, C, D, E. Let me check just this triangle. Let us check it together. Here we go. Yeah, this is a triangle actually, and this is your wave B finished. Yeah, A, B, C, D, E. Here we go. Yeah, so A zigzag, and then B, C, D, and E. Here we go, finished. Now, of course, that is multiple waves here. It can be this is your wave D, and this can be your wave, your wave B here. Yeah, one of them is different. Let's give this for the wave B because the momentum might take longer for the wave B. So I would say this is a probability. It doesn't matter. At the end, it is a triangle, and it's gonna end with a wave E at the same place at both case scenario. So yeah, we have here an A and then B and then a C and then D and E, right? Finishing a wave B here for our zigzag. I would say, here we go, A, B, and a C. So yeah, at least it has show up what is intending to do. And once we are corrective, guys, if we are corrective, finishing a wave E, and here we go, explosion to the upside. As you can see, higher prices has started to unfold, so this might be your bullish scenario. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3, and finishing a wave C at the same time, right? But again, let's mention this. If we break the $340 at 1-to-1 fib level, that would mean that we cannot be impulsive more than this. Yeah, I mean, it can, of course, be even extended wave C, nobody knows. But after this, we're going to see a massive drop. And that because, let's go back to the daily. That because, guys, as we said before, our bullish scenario as an impulse, which it was intended to be in a double 1-2 here, before getting to this wave 4, we were bottoming a wave 4 here. And it was like 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3. Then suddenly a very deep wave 4 interfering with your zone 1 here, as you can see. Invalidation of the impulse, which is not really nice, yeah. And transforming this into kind of a zigzag. Now, of course, the best way to read this as a correction was WXY, finishing as a triangle, then starting ABC, and then ABC, and continuation for ABC. Now, breaking this 1-to-1 fib level is problematic because this is your last chance for higher prices. Yeah, this is your last motive wave possibility for higher prices, meaning We don't have an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's impossible. This is 3 waves. We don't have a contracting diagonal. In case we take this high, means once we take it, we're gonna move directly down. I'm gonna explain why as well. And also, you don't have kind of any double 1 2 because anyway, this is not an impulse. So how it can be, of course, double 1 2. You cannot take this as wave 4 and this is your wave 2. Your wave 2 is very, very longer, of course, than your wave 4 in time. Yeah, so these are the things. Probably, yeah, better to not take the high. I mean, the 1-to-1 because it would be nicer to finish it in ending diagonal. Now, okay, maybe it's gonna be very long, extended wave C. However, it can be risky. This is the difference. Rather than knowing your path or not knowing it, it can be risky. It means you can take out here, even miss the trade, or you can, yeah, I mean, if you take it, of course, you can be profitable, but you don't know where you can stop. Of course, you can catch where by taking, of course, the fib levels, but until this happens, we're gonna reanalyze. Basically, I prefer to stay under 340 and stay on the path and know what's going on. And then moving for a wave 4 and a 5 to finish this ending diagonal. And with this, we will end up the bull run for Solana as A, B, and a C finished a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. Basically, if we are impulsive in a bigger bullish scenario where you have a 1, 2, and then of course you would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, well, maybe an extended wave 5, but it should be impulsive. Yeah, so we need to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to say, yeah, we are impulsive. If this happens and we reach above the fib levels taken, of course, from the A here to the B, I would say, let's say 1-to-1 fib level here at $570. I'm gonna make sure this on other chart, by the way. But yeah, reaching this area at 770, by the way, which is already as well the targets taken from our impulse, might mean, guys, that we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so we're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. Let us get out of this price action first, and then we take a look what's gonna happen later on. So basically, higher prices for Solana as high possibility. I would suggest a less than 1-to-1 here, taken of course for the contracting diagonal. And yeah, but if we get something like this, which is ABC here as a zigzag, remember if you take your target here, let's take the lowest for this correction. Your 1-to-1 is 404. And that means your wave 5, which it can be extended or not even extended, which is a normal wave C here, right? It might turn, of course, as a bearish scenario. I promise to explain why bearish in case we get higher prices, because, well, you will explain, okay, after higher prices anyway, we will dive deeper, right? This is a concept, but this is not only the case here. We have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's why we might move down correctively. Yeah, meaning we are still bullish even if we dive deeper. Meaning this wave 4 might extend in time to the 1.38, 1.618 at $100, and then moving up again. Yeah, so meaning the bull run did not finish, by the way. If we dive deeper, meaning just this, yeah, and this still looking 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which is, by the way, very, very logical with the time for your wave 2 and your wave 4, which it should be double time, yeah, of your wave 2. So basically everything looks logic for me what's going on in Solana. However, higher prices for now are higher possibility. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.